Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Shirogorov F3NS Bronze carbon fiber here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Would you look at this? This is a fantastic one, guys. A classic Shirogorov packaging, black box, black microfiber cloth, and you've got your certificate of authenticity with a serial number and some specs for the knife. And then of course you've got this beauty right over here. Would you look at this? Shirogorov F3NS bronze carbon fiber scales, bronze anodized backspacer, bronze anodized pocket clip, fantastic liner lock. Check the detail, fine milling on the scales with these bronze infused carbon fiber scales, titanium liners, skeletonized on the inside to reduce the weight. You've got a stainless steel lock face insert as well. Crazy action, simple construction, multi-row bearing system, which you can see right over here. You have all the goodies from Shirogorov, stonewash blade, fantastic new jimping with the swedge going on. I mean, guys, that's a gorgeous one. Look at this little detail going on over here and on the side. And I mean, this is a truly fantastic one. A lanyard hole is integrated in the back spacer. You have two screws, so simple construction, absolutely fantastic, solid in the hand. It feels like great, fantastic ergos. It's a little bit thicker than other Shirogorov, but still just feels amazing and super solid in the hand. The sound, guys, it's like a whip. Oof, you feel the whoosh of the bearings. And fantastic and solid when closes. Really, really good in the hand. The action is this smooth. Like, this can be this gentle, like a feather. Look at that. Or you can just do something like that. You see, it's pretty quick as well. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.